Hello guys, this side Rahul Kashyap from Latest Mobile Buzz, and today I am going to take a closer look of Asus Zenfone Live smartphone. Asus Zenfone Live smartphone is a world first smartphone with a hardware optimized real-time beautification technology. This smartphone has a price tag of INR 9,999. The key feature of this smartphone is a new beauty live app, enabling users to share more glamorous versions of themselves live on Facebook. Asus Zenfone Live has a front camera with a large 1.4 sensor pixels for 2x greater light sensitivity. It also comes with a dual micro electromechanical system microphone to help eliminate background noise and enhance voice pickup. While the unboxing of Asus Zenfone Live smartphone, we got charging adapter, USB cable, Asus user guide, and as well as SIM ejector tool. Asus Zenfone Live has a 5-inch HD IPS display screen with 2.5D curved glass and has a screen-to-body ratio of 75%. Camera-wise, it has a 13-megapixel rear camera with a single LED flash and f2.0 aperture 5p lens. On the front side, it has a 5-megapixel camera with a soft LED flashlight for a natural skin tone and large 1.4 pixel size sensor. It also has 82-degree wide angle lens and f2.2 aperture. The Asus Zenfone Live has volume rocker key and power key on the right side, and on the left side it has dual SIM card slot. The phone has micro USB port for charging and primary microphone on the bottom side. It also has speaker grill on the bottom left side. Asus Zenfone Live smartphone sports 3.5mm audio jack on the top side. It is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core Snapdragon processor with Adreno 305 GPU. The phone is packed with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB internal storage under the hood. You can also expandable up to 128 GB storage via micro SD card slot. Also, user will get 100 GB of Google Drive space for 2 years, which is totally free. It runs on the Android 6.0 Marshmallow with Gen UI 3.0 out of the box. The phone is packed non-removable 2650 mAh Li-ion battery and it has weight 120 gram only. The smartphone is available in 3 colors: navy black, rose pink and shimmer gold as well. So guys, it was the quick hands-on overview of Asus Zenfone Live smartphone, and we will also upload full review soon. And if you like this video and want to more new updates, so guys, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.